Hello everyone, I hope you're staying safe. I have two major announcements today. The first one is the winner of my ankle weights giveaway, and the winner is Vanessa Johnson. Vanessa, I'm going to contact you so I can get your address and mail you those beautiful black ankle weights. So if you're not a winner but you want those ankle weights, you can definitely get the link in my YouTube channel for that giveaway. The second announcement I'm going to make is, it's been a long time since I've actually done a live, and so I'm gonna do a longer indoor walking workout. The last one I did, the 30-minute one that I just posted a couple of days ago, is getting a lot of good review. So I thought, why not do a live? Now, it might be a live or it might be a premiere. The difference, live is I come on and I'm right there with you working out and I can't talk to you. A premiere would be that I would have done it ahead of time and I'm watching it with you while the video is playing, and so I can actually talk to you. I want you to meet me on my YouTube channel on Sunday, July the 19th at 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern, and we are going to work on indoor walking. If you've never seen any of my indoor walking workouts, I suggest you look at my YouTube channel or look at clips. If you're on LinkedIn, if you're on Instagram, I have clips. If you're on Pinterest, I have clips. So look at those or go to my YouTube channel, 50 something original, and check that out. So I hope to see you. Invite your friends. You don't have to be over 50, even though my channel is for over 50-year-olds, and I'm broadcasting this on LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook. I'm inviting all of you. See you there.